Morning followers, we've got some repairs to do today. The track is coming loose on the digger, so I need to get the digger off and obviously get the track off and have a look and see what's actually going on with it. I figure it's maybe the idler. Sorry about the sun, I'll spin around. I figure the idler is not holding the grease, so we'll have a look at that anyway, and yeah, see what's going on. So you can see that this track is quite tight, and this one quite loose. Remove this plate, push the idler back in. Hopefully there's not too much mud up in there. That's going to stop me doing it. I'll remove a bit of this dirt and crap out, and then yeah, then we can get the track off, and then we can have a nosy-ish. Okay. Get out the way. Hard to find good help. So you can see in there what I just took out, and that's the you see the grease all kicking out of there. That's the idler piston. See it in there. It's like a Mr. Whippy for mechanics. Right. See, and this is the tensioner inlet, if you like. It's got that grease nipple there, and it basically just punches grease out through into the piston and holds everything. Normally you would leave this half in, but no, it's just as easy to take it out because I'm taking the whole track off. So yeah, alright, we'll get the track off now. And there's the idler. Pretty clean, really. You probably can't see that because of the sun. I'll put you over here. Might be easier. Hey. Oh, tripod is not working. Hey, there you go. We're gonna, quite not light. Going to actually not do much from here because it all looks okay. There's no grease, no grease. Sort of spitting out of here anywhere, or in here, or up in here. I mean, everything looks fine. It might have been just when it was tensioned. You know, there could have been some mud or shit in here, and it's basically just worked that mud out or something, but I don't see the point in taking all this out when I don't need to. So yeah, I mean, good to do the investigation. You got to sort of keep on top of these things. And, sort out the belly plate. Anyway, let's get us back in. The tightening here is the big nut. Sorry, shaky. See that big nut, and as you turn that, that turns. So you know, that's stopped now. I mean, that's okay because you can still get a grease nipple on it. And unfortunately, you can't get a whole lot of grip on it. Straighten them up. Alright, that's tight. So now we'll pump it up, Chris. Okay, and what I like to do, I like to have a finger of width between the middle roller and the idle wheel. So that is about the right tension for this machine. Some machines are different. I like to have that a bit tighter because I do a lot of screwing around and on the tracks, I mean. So, alright, that's good. We'll get it all down on the ground and flip it up, and then we'll have a look at that belly plate. So you can see that belly plate's all bashed in, and you just get that from rocks and mud and stuff. And yeah, we need to get that off, straighten it up, get all the crap out of there because it'll be full of mud. And yeah, it's going to be just a case of bashing it clean. But yeah, everything's looking good. It's all clean and tidy, and my no sort of hydraulic leaks or anything like that on my main swing rotor, and yeah, everything's sort of looking clean, no cracks. I mean, these tabs, see these tabs, I'll have to bend that tab back in, and then we'll give the old bottom plate a bit of a crack. What's going on there? Grease. Where's that from? Oh, it'll be from the... Yeah, that's pretty. Yeah, that's all good. Okay. I was going to clean out these covers, but I've got a 500-hour service coming up, so I'll leave it until then. They'll be fine. Well, there you go, that's a bit of an insight and a bit of maintenance. That plate there really needs a look at as well. It needs welding on the side here. It's broken, but that can be another day. I might just bend it out so it's not touching my hydraulic lines. But other than that, it's a stupid bloody plate anyway. I mean, it protects it, but you know, it's a pain in the ass. It's a dirt collector more than anything. So, okay, enjoy your day. Keep watching. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.